The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and...
Hey guys, welcome to the Passport Snob channel. Shaquelle and Kavina here, and today we're going to be sharing our experience at the Slave Haven Underground Railroad Museum. So when we were in Memphis, we got the opportunity to visit the last Underground Railroad station there. The now museum was built with intention by Jacob Burckle, a German immigrant who wanted to help escaping slaves. If it wasn't for either the daughter or the mother sharing the story and history of what occurred in this space, it would have been lost as part of history.
The home was built on the outskirts of Memphis near the banks of the Mississippi River. Again, intention, right? There was a false portion of brick wall in the back of the house that served as passage for escapees to enter the cellar of the home. Signaled for clear or safe to enter by a light in the window. This museum shared history and conditions of the stolen Africans' journey starting from Africa to the land of America. The anti-slavery movement and supporters, along with the songs and methods of communicating and so much more. Tours are offered daily and roll back to back throughout the day. Photos were not allowed in the museum for copyright reasons. A lot of the photography and artwork was donated, but that didn't take away from the impact of the knowledge shared.
Some of the things that we learned that we didn't know, the first one, we didn't know that some slaves weren't only running north. It was based off of where the slave was running from. So some of the slaves were actually running further south into Mexico and the islands. We also never knew that there was a process and a length of time in Africa before the enslaved were removed from their homeland. After being taken captive, they were being conditioned for the journey and treatment before being taken through the gate of no return. And this was before even enduring the harsh and inhumane conditions on the ships across the transatlantic. It blew our mind that enslaved children were used as bed warmers at night. All the while there was an actual invention for this need.
Some of the propaganda that was used against black was shared, such as the watermelon. This fruit wasn't native to the America, yet it was used to demean and belittle, when in reality it was consumed for its health benefits as a diuretic and for hydration. We had the opportunity to actually enter the cellar where waiting escapees sat in complete darkness with up to 30 other people. There were only 9 of us, and we felt the tightness of the space. But when you're awaiting a chance of freedom after being stolen and beaten, you'll do and endure what you have to.
This museum and tour is a must-see if you are in Memphis. It's only $12 and worth every penny. So if you have the chance, please be sure to stop by and check it out. For more content on tips, tricks, reviews, and hacks, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. And as always, follow us on all our social media platforms for more cultural content. Until next time, guys.